how to find passwords on Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, there is a inbuilt feature in Samsung called as Samsung Pass, which saves the passwords. But unfortunately, it is not available in all of the Samsung phones. But you do have the Google Password Manager in all Samsung phones, so you can find your password there. To go to Google Password Manager, tap on the Google Chrome, then go to the three dots at the top right and head over to Settings. Now, once you're in your settings under passwords and autofill, you'll find Google Password Manager. Just tap on it and all of your saved passwords will appear here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.